Hello, welcome to the Riverside Automation Agency. Today we are going to automate legal document generation process. So actually, uh, I have a document which contains some variables. I have put it that variables in a Google Sheet. I have created the document using docupilot. So actually, it's a document automation software. You can just put variables like this, and then you can pass different data, which will fill out there. So you can do that from here. After that, I have created some dummy data to represent that variables, and so here I have my Google Sheet selected. You can just add module and select Google Sheet and watch new records. Then you can select whichever sheet you have created there. I have bunch of sheets here, so you can select same like that. After that, so if your sheet has headers like columns names like mine here, attorney bar number, attorney name, and this, so you can say like I have headers with A1 to Z1, and then this is a limit to process in one cycle. So for example, you have run this once, and you have like two here, then it will pick up two rows here from here. So this and this row will be picked up, and it will be passed in this automation. So it will uh, process two times in one automation. Like you can see, I ran it with two rows, so it processed like two times because it has two bundles here, bundle 1, bundle 2. So first bundle 1 will be passed from here, then second bundle will go. Okay, then you can find the docupilot module and select your template which you have created there. Docupilot, this is a template online divorce, and you can map the fields from Google Sheet like here, attorney bar number, attorney name, and this. You can select these variables from here, and if you want to download the document, then you have to check the yes option, because it will allow you to download that document. It will provide you a URL which you can then use to download the document like I did here. I have used HTTP module get a file. So I have to pass the file URL. So this is a docupilot module, and this is the output from the docupilot module. So I have selected the file URL. It is a download URL. So it will download that file, and then you can use Dropbox or like Google Drive or anything which you would like to upload your document directly there. So I have selected my folder in Dropbox, and then I have created I have allowed you to select the file from directly through docupilot module, or if we do not have that option, we can also select the http module which I have placed just optionally. So if you don't have option there, because sometime you don't click the yes button here, so it will not represent your URL. So you can just put that, and either select this and this, both will work. Then if you run this automation, let me show you. Actually, you can also use any other database instead of Google Sheet, but for convenience, I have used Google Sheets. And let's run it. So I have one, two, three documents already generated here. You will see another one just show here. Just let me process only one document in one cycle. And let's run it. Let's choose first where to start. I want to check for all. Okay, so it is running now, and you can see everything going well. And we will have our document here. Yeah, you can see it is uploading here because it has generated the document, and it will be available in our Dropbox. Uh, let's finish this. Yeah, so it will be here in a moment. Just 1 second. Go. Yeah. So you can see John Smith, Smith and Associates, and all of these variables are filled. Actually, this is a simple document which I have created for testing purposes. But we can use any document which we want to use. So this is just a sample document. So you can download the document from here or do anything what you want. This will save you a lot of manual effort, like filling all of these variables in different documents for different clients. It really saves a lot of time. So please subscribe, and please contact me at Riverside Automation. I have a website which I will link in the bio. Please in the description. Please check it out and let me know if you need a help. And also you can put your question in comment. I will try my best to answer your queries. Thank you so much.